Hello guys, I almost lost my Facebook monetization. So I will share you what really happened, and I believe at the end of this video, you will learn a lot from my mistakes. This is what happened. One of my channel, I always recreate people's content, then I post. It happens that I use that strategy to grow that page from 0 to over 140,000 followers. And with that, the page was monetized. I always find my way out. What I always do is to go to TikTok, get the person's content and re-edit it, change the sound, change everything, then I will post. Before I'll publish, I'll test it on Facebook copyright checker. Once I check it and it says this content is not copyrighted, then I publish. This is how I use the strategy to grow my page. And most of the growth on the page, I've shared the tutorial how I gained 7.6 million views. It was that page that I consistently post using that strategy. I'll make sure I'll change the soundtrack. I'll make sure I do the normal editing. So one day I woke up and I realized that my page has been reported. There's a guy I always take his videos on TikTok, and what I did was I did diligent research on that guy. That guy is active on TikTok. He's also active on Instagram. He's very active on YouTube. But when I check on Facebook, he's not active. The only account that I saw there, it was just 23 followers. So what did I do? I now said, okay, since this guy is not active, I'll just be taking his videos and be posting directly without editing, because normally I do my editing. So this is what happened. I woke up one day, I now discovered that my page has been reported of copyright violation. And you know about Facebook, once someone is infringing on your intellectual property, they take immediate action. So instantly, and 3 of my videos, the first video, second video, third video, so it was April 29, 30th, this guy reported my page 2 times. It reported 3 of his videos, and instantly my account was restricted. So I couldn't manage every other pages that I have. I can still chat, I can still interact, comment, but I cannot post, I cannot manage my page. So what did I do? I tried to reach out to this guy. I sent email. He refused to respond to me. I chatted him on TikTok. He refused to respond. I chatted every aspect, every avenue that I needed to chat this guy up. I chatted him up. He didn't respond to me. So what did I do? I went back to Facebook and said, this person, I have reached out to this person and he has not responded to me. I screenshotted every of my conversation with the guy. I sent it to Facebook because there are forms that I need to fill. I'll put my address, I'll put everything that I needed to do. So I filled the form. So Facebook now sent me an email that they need more details about me. They need everything. So I provided those information. So after providing those information, they now sent me a message that I should review my page. So when I reviewed my page, after 4 or 5 days, my page was restored. But one thing I forgot to say is, when that happened, they restricted my Facebook earnings. They stopped everything. I can't earn on Insta. I can't earn on my content monetization. I can't earn on anything. The only thing that I can earn on is only on text and on pictures. They restricted the ad on reels. They restricted the long form videos. After they reviewed my page, I started earning. But one thing again is, they restricted my account. So I can't post anything there. So I waited until 1 month before I was able to manage my page. So a lot of people have made this kind of mistakes and their page has been reported. They don't know how to go about it. And almost a year, their page is still restricted. The only advantage I have is I was able to reach out to Facebook and they responded to me. I've posted a video how to contact Facebook on my channel, so you can check it out, how to contact them. So if you have any issues regarding to that, you can contact them and they will respond to you. So I've posted 3 ways, I think 3 to 4 ways to contact Facebook. Once you do that, they will respond to you. So this is how my page was restored and I started earning. So one thing you need to do is, if you want to repurpose people's videos, if you want to react to people's video, because Facebook love people adding more value to people's video, to creators' video. So if you are doing that, ensure you do it diligently. React to them. Don't just put your picture one side and put the person's video. You are not reacting. Take an instance, someone in a cooking niche has created a content and you want to react to it. You will say some things. You will say some things before you now say, okay, watch this video. But if you are repurposing people's video, like me, what I do is I normally edit my video properly. I always edit my video properly. I'll take the footage from the left, bring it to the right. I'll take the one from the right, bring it to the left. So I always mixed it. And once I mix it, I'll bring a sound and I'll make sure that I change everything on the videos before I post. This one happens because I thought that I was smart. I posted the person's video direct because he's not active on Facebook. But when eventually he saw his video, he reported my page. So one thing you need to do is when you are posting people's video, always give them credit. Once they see their content in your page, they will not report your page because you are also giving them popularity. But in case you are posting people's content and you are not giving them credit, stop that. Start giving them credit so that they will not report, because when they report your monetized page and you don't know how to contact Facebook, your page will go for like a year before you can start earning. I believe you have learned a lot. Don't fall into the mistake that I made, because if you do that and you don't know how to contact Facebook or reach out to Facebook, you will be frustrated. And one thing you need to add to this is always have a backup page. If your platforms are monetized, always have a backup page so that when issue arises, you can start earning on the other platform. So be careful on how you post people's content. It has affected me. Thank God that my page was not lost, my account was not lost, because if that keeps happening, Facebook will delete their account and every page that is inside that account is gone. That is how my friend lost his Facebook page, over 300,000 followers, because it was housed in an account that Facebook deleted. So be careful on how you post people's content. And the bonus tip is this: when you are repurposing people's content, always be careful of the soundtrack. When you're posting your content, don't use trending sound that is owned by people. Don't use the sound. Facebook have their library. You can pick their sound from there and use it. Free library sound on YouTube is not free on Facebook. When you try to use the sound, they will tell you that content is copyright and that sound belongs to someone. And also free sound on Facebook, if you use the sound on YouTube, it's also a copyright. Any platform you are, try to use their free royalty sound. For the content creators on YouTube, if you want to make serious money on Facebook, you can also repurpose your videos on YouTube. You can also repurpose your videos from your YouTube to your Facebook. Don't just carry the video that you have uploaded on your YouTube and you take it direct to your Facebook. There might be copyright sound. There might be issues. So ensure you repurpose it. Change the sounds, change a lot of things before you post. So that is the bonus tip. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.